Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm not going to show my face in this video simply because I'm trying to get it done really quickly. Alana and I have to be out of the house in about 45 minutes. But Sophia from My Great Challenge has been doing Fly Lady all month, and she has encouraged people to actually do Fly Lady with her or to do some type of a cleaning motivation in their home and post those videos. We can put them on the playlist. So I do have a video that's coming out this week that will go on that playlist. But I thought I would go through my cutlery drawer. So this is the drawer that I hold all of my forks, knives, and spoons. And then over the years, we've just accumulated a lot of things. So I want to declutter some of this, get rid of a few things that I do not plan to use, and then I want to be able to change out some of the things in here. So I found at Goodwill these wired baskets. So I have this wired basket, but in the back I have this white plastic basket. So of course that doesn't work for me. So I was at Dollar Tree the other day and I did pick up some more of the white baskets, and then I picked up a few of these wired baskets. And so what I'm going to do is go through this drawer, declutter all the things that I don't need, and then I'm going to make this totally a wired basket, and then I'm going to take these white baskets over to the bacon drawer and switch out because I do have a wired basket in there. So just come along with us and we're going to declutter this drawer. Okay, you guys, so a quick few minutes and we are done. So this is what this drawer now looks like. I'm actually thinking I'm going to keep looking for some more of these wire baskets because I prefer these to the plastic ones. But for now, as long as I have everything in one drawer that's the same, it makes me happy. So I did go through this a little bit and call out some of the things that we do not use. I put all of my butter knives here, and then my baguette, and then my thermometer for meat. I have one cheese grater that's handheld, and then one of those plastic, not plastic, but metal, you know, you move food with them. I actually cut pizza dough with it. Back here I have some butter knives because they wouldn't fit in these smaller ones. And I did keep two of these fruit peelers just because if I have a larger batch of something that needs peeling, I can, myself or the kids can both work at the same time. So that looks good. I did keep the apple core and the chopper. We don't usually typically core apples or slice them, but Jackson likes them that way sometimes. So I keep that there for him. But that's what this drawer looks like. And then out of this drawer, this is what I got rid of. I had a couple of these. I had a couple of these. See the OXO brand. That's a good brand. But I got this from Goodwill, I think. I'm going to think about this one. Because OXO is a good brand, but I actually had another one that was just all metal that I got from Goodwill. So I kept one of those. But anywho, I had several of these pie servers. And I may actually take those to the church, because sometimes we do things and we need extra utensils. So these two things I may take to the church. But I had 2 of these, so I just got rid of one. I'm still going to think about this one. That's a maybe. But everything else. And now I do have a fondue pot. I've had it. I got it from Goodwill. I've had that fondue pot for years. I've never used it. And these are the fondue forks that go with the fondue pot. So I'm going to see if any of my friends would like the fondue pot and the fondue forks. And then I'm going to pass them along. We just don't. It's not something we do. I thought we might, but we don't. So goodbye fondue forks that I've been in my drawers for years and years. We're going to find a home for them, and if not, we're just going to toss them and it will be fine. And then over here in this bacon drawer, we just took all of the, we just had that one silver one here, and then we just changed it out with all of the white ones so that everything in there is now the same color. I'm not ecstatic about this layout because I do like the silver bins better, but at least they're all the same color now. I'll turn this one around and just pull that tag off. Pull that tag off there, and that's a little bit better. So anywho, that's what we're getting rid of. That's what we're throwing away. Just a few minutes. It only took me about 15 minutes to go through and get everything squared away. So we hope that this motivates you to do one area in your home, just something to pick up, you know, do a hot spot, hot zone, fly lady, or whatever you're calling it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you, Sophia, for motivating me. I love your channel. And until next project, bye now.